He's really done a hunting that day. That was incredible. He's gone.
Very good.
Matapos tinalo ang kapwa Pinoy prospect na si Arvin Magramo via first round knockout.
Exactly what happened in
Ay muling magbabalik aksyon ang binansagang dabam ng Philippine boxing na si Christian Araneta. Lalabanan ang dayong Thai boxer na si Sanchay Yutbon sa isang 8 rounds tune a fight. May malupit na kartada itong si Araneta na 24 wins, 2 losses, 11 via knockout. Nag-aabang na lang ito ng laban para sa world title sa light flyweight division. Samantalang may record naman itong si Yutbon na 16 wins, 8 losses, 10 via knockout. Marami ang nagsasabi na lalapain na naman ito ni Araneta. Di daw ito tatagal sa malabombang kamao niya. Sa mga di nakakaalam ay may boksingierong taga Thailand na din ang nakalaban nitong si Araneta. Ito ay si Jakrawot Majungin na kung saan nilamog lang ito ni Araneta sa laban. Sa sobrang lakas ni Kabayan ay sumuka pa itong pambato ng Thailand sa gitna ng kanilang bakbakan. Bago ang labang Christian Araneta kontra Yutbon, ay balikan muna natin ang laban ni Araneta kontra sa dayong Thai boxer na si Jakrawot Majungin.
One of the best lightweight and the best puncher. And you know that left strike, left hand? That's why it's called the bomb. Sakit. Almost up, diba? Connected with that uppercut. Dinig na dinig yung impact. Snappy talaga yung kaliwa niya ni Christian Araneta. Sabi nga nila, ng Team Omega, napakahirap daw hanapan ng kalaban nitong si Christian Araneta. Oo nga, alam ko, hapon pa, ayaw sa kalabanan eh. And you can't blame them. Yeah. Because he's a southpaw. So he's a southpaw. With power. With power. With power. Ganda ng mga highlights nito. Yung mga suntok. Continuous punches ni Araneta. At saka pumapasok. Pumapasok, matulis, snappy.
Siya. End of the first round. Mukhang napapaisip na yung Thai. What do you think, Milan?
Mukhang napapaisip ko siya, lakas pa lang. Dami na lakas ang power, tapos dami ng snapping.
Ano sa tingin mo, sino nanalo dito sa first round?
Klarong-klaro naman.
Klaro-klaro.
Klarong-klaro naman po. Yung mga suntok. Continuous punches ni Araneta. At saka pumapasok.
Pumapasok, matulis, snappy. Natapa kagad itong Thai. Salamat po ulit sa Omega Sports, sa QM Builders, and the City of Lapu-Lapu.
Tawag yan, accuracy. Hindi nagsasayang.
Yan. Because he knows it. He's in position to connect. And that's very big for a boxer. Again, guys, this is a 10-round fight. The Thai fighter throwing in some combinations right there. Some time from Jakrawot Majungin.
Ganda ng sidestep ni Araneta doon.
Ganda.
Para nagulat din yung Thai fighter. Yung left to the body na ginagawa ni Chris, I think, pinaplara niya ng upset. So, sinasali niya. And we can expect for him to pick it up once more later on.
That's a long-term plan.
Correct.
Hindi you've got what it takes to makipagsabayan kay Christian sa home court boxer. Kumbaga, daas.
Pero hindi tayo kumpiyansa dito kasi experience natin yung Thai.
And it clearly shows.
Yeah, based on record. O dito. So, it's a very veteran fighter. Nakita mo naman yung laban, hindi siya nagmamadali.
Sir, ano ba ang iuutos ko dito sa Thai?
Sabi lang yung Thai is continuous ang gagawin kasi early round pa naman. So, maghahanap tayo ng butas. Yan, yung ginagawa ng tayo. Kasi mabilis yun hindi mo ka dapat mag-race. Kailangan mo palang pa-slow down yung kalaban. Tingnan mo lang kung merong butas na the decision.
Would it be the same this main event? Again, looking to get closer. Christian Araneta backing out right away. Retaliated with his own combinations. Combination for the tie.
Now, nagbabasa siya mga galawan ni Araneta.
But I haven't seen Minat mention we need more jabs. So that's good. That's a good sign.
Yes, a good sign. Papasok talaga yan kasi yung opponent niya is naka-focus sa straight. Nailagay.
Pero parang di ba nag-throw ng hook sa left or overhand?
Yeah.
Pero so far, di ba talagang nagpagpagtan ng tayo? It was a good, perfectly timed uppercut. Good short right hook. Makes it up there. He was expecting a jab and then the hook came. Surprise, surprise. End of the round. To get in with his head movement, but the snappy jabs again.
Back.
There,
Good.
into the straight.
Mahihirapan siya makapasok. Bilis kasi ng kamay
Especially the left. We are in awe.
And that's the reason why I discouraged to Thai fighter to gamble because he receives punches from Araneta in the process.
Yes. Dapat ka talaga pumasok sa loob pag ganyang estilo. Tsaka, then do the counter punch. Pag
So, nasasaktan siya, nakikita mo sa facial reaction niya.
That's what you were saying. And that's what you were saying.
And I think he's throwing up. He's throwing up blood.
Nagsuka na. Tapos sa laban.
And it is over, ladies and gentlemen.
Nagsuka.
I hope he is
my
okay.
gosh. I gotta see that again.
At the replay.
Yung bakit nagsuka yun, no? Ito na, dyan sa ulo. And then the chan. Tingnan natin ulit. Tangit na yung pinasuka.